Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you the solution for the error that show on your WhatsApp and tell you that this account can no longer use WhatsApp. So normally you will see the screen, and this screen means that your WhatsApp account was banned. What are the reasons for the ban of your account? So to know the solution, we should first of all know the problems. So the first problem is that you may use a modified version of WhatsApp. There is WhatsApp Gold and WhatsApp Silvers and a lot of WhatsApp modified app. So one of the first reasons is that you are using one of them. And the second reason is that you are sending spammy messages or sending a lot of messages. And the third reason is that there is some people who reported you or reported your messages, and that's why WhatsApp banned your account. So for the solution, and the first solution is to install the official WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. So if you are using Android, you go to the Play Store and install WhatsApp. And if you are using iOS or using iPhone, you go to the Apple Store and download the official app of WhatsApp and try to open your account. If this did not work and you are still seeing this screen of like this account can no longer use WhatsApp, so the solution is to request a review or to click on request a review, and after that you should describe exactly what happened. So if you was not sending spammy messages and you was not bothering anyone with WhatsApp, your account should be restored and you will have access again to your account. But if you are sending spam messages or unwanted messages, so WhatsApp will not get you your account back. So there is two solutions. The first one is to install the official app, like I told you, and be sure that you are using the official app. And the second one is that you request a review from WhatsApp and ask them to unban your account if you did nothing wrong, and they will get your account back. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.